Imagine a world where artificial intelligence is no longer trapped inside screens, but walking beside us in a real physical form. That future is already here. Today we are exploring the mind-blowing concept of ChatGPT inside a real robot. This is not just a cool tech experiment. This is the beginning of a new era, where AI gains a body and the ability to see, hear, move, and interact with humans in the real world. So what actually happens when ChatGPT gets placed inside a robot? First, the robot gains a brain that can understand natural language, respond instantly, and adapt its behavior to different situations. No more pre-programmed limited responses. With ChatGPT, the robot becomes conversational, intuitive, and capable of learning from context just like a human assistant. It can talk to you like a friend, solve your problems like a smart coworker, and guide you like a personal tutor. Let us start with the basics. Traditional robots follow fixed commands. They can move, pick objects, and perform tasks, but their intelligence is limited. They cannot understand emotions, they cannot carry long conversations, and they cannot make decisions beyond their programming. But when you integrate ChatGPT, the robot becomes something completely different. It becomes aware of your intentions. It can reason, it can make choices, it can even explain those choices. For example, imagine walking into your home, and your robot greets you based on your mood. If you sound tired, it might suggest a break. If you sound excited, it may ask what good news you have. This emotional intelligence is possible only because of ChatGPT's natural language processing power. The robot is not only hearing your words, but understanding their meaning, tone, and purpose. Now imagine this robot in a workplace. In offices, it can analyze data, draft reports, schedule meetings, and even communicate with clients. In factories, it can assist workers, guide them step by step, and reduce mistakes. In hospitals, it can help doctors by providing instant medical information, offering reminders, and speaking gently with patients who need emotional encouragement. The combination of physical strength plus AI intelligence creates a perfect hybrid. But the real question everyone asks is this: how safe is it to put ChatGPT inside a robot? The answer is that safety depends on design boundaries. The robot must follow controlled movement restrictions and respect human instructions. Modern robots already come with sensors that prevent collisions and injuries. Adding ChatGPT makes them even safer because they can understand verbal warnings and human concerns in real time. Another exciting part of this evolution is personalization. A robot with ChatGPT does not behave the same way for everyone. It adapts to its owner. If you prefer formal communication, it adjusts. If you like jokes, it changes its tone. If you teach it your routine, it learns and remembers. This personalized AI companion can help you wake up on time, plan your day, remind you of important tasks, help with study sessions, and even assist in creative projects like writing videos, editing scripts, or learning new skills. Let us talk about the future, because this technology is just starting. As robots become more affordable and ChatGPT becomes more advanced, we may soon see AI companions in every home. They will clean the house, manage appliances, teach children, help older people stay safe, and even accompany humans in dangerous environments like construction sites, mines, and rescue missions. Companies across the world are already experimenting with humanoid robots connected to large language models. These robots are learning to cook, communicate, navigate rooms, and carry objects with natural fluid movements. Some robots can understand hand gestures, facial expressions, and body language. Once you combine that with ChatGPT, the communication becomes smoother and more human-like than ever before. This new field is opening doors for massive opportunities. Content creators will get robotic assistants to film videos. Small businesses will get 24-hour AI employees. Students will get personal study helpers who can explain any topic at any level. Even entertainment will change because robots powered by AI can perform skits, storytelling, and even stage shows. But one thing is certain: this is not the future we thought would arrive in 50 years. It is happening right now. ChatGPT inside a real robot is rewriting the rules of technology. It is shaping a world where machines are not just tools, but partners, companions, and collaborators. As we move forward, the biggest question is not what robots can do. The real question is how far humans want to go with this power. The revolution has started, and we are standing at the front line.